Before we refer to the contentions advanced on both sides, it would be worthwhile to explain the system which was prevalent in the state for engaging lawyers to attend to the government work in the High Court, and also the role assigned to the legal remembrancer vis-a-vis the government lawyers. Stop. Chapter 5 of the Legal Remembrancer's Manual, hereinafter referred to as the Manual, deals with the Chief Standing Counsel and the Standing Counsel in the High Court, and Chapter 6 of the said manual deals with brief holders in the High Court. Stop. Chapter 7 deals with district government council with whom we are not concerned in the present appeals. Stop. However, that chapter has a bearing on the contentions advanced before us, and we will deal with the same while discussing the contentions. Stop. Suffice it for the present to bear in mind that the appointment and conditions of engagement of district government council have been dealt with in the said manual separately from the appointment of the chief standing counsel and brief holders in the High Court. Passage. Paragraph 5.01 of Chapter 5 states that there shall be one Chief Standing Counsel for the High Court at Allahabad and another for its Lucknow bench, and such number of standing counsel at both the said benches as the state government may from time to time appoint. Stop. Paragraph 5.02 states that in making the appointments of the chief standing counsel as well as the standing counsel, the state government may, if considered necessary, take into consideration the view of the Advocate General or the Chief Justice or any judges of the High Court or of any committee that may be constituted for the purpose. Stop. Paragraph 5.03 then refers to the responsibility of the Chief Standing Counsel for conducting the cases. Stop. It states that he shall be responsible for the conduct of all civil cases in the High Court to which the state government is a party, except such cases or class of cases are excluded by the state government by general or special order. Stop. It further states that the Chief Standing Counsel shall work subject to such general or special directions as may be issued by the Advocate General or the legal remembrancer from time to time. Stop. Subparagraph 2 of the said paragraph states that the government may entrust any case of special importance to the Advocate General or to a special counsel. Stop. Paragraph 5.04 refers to the duties of the Chief Standing Counsel. Stop and over.